It's literally not printing anything. It broke. But don't be like me. Actually know what you're doing when you're programming. Here's what I modeled for our light switch. Alright.
It's the biggest piece of dog.
No! The super dog. The super dog. Golly, how bright we need to be. What should we do first? I think we should make an LED blink. Because we can make an LED blink. We can make a servo motor blink. Not a servo motor blink. Then we can tell one microcontroller to tell the other microcontroller, hey, turn that.
Don't you lecture me with your $30 haircut.
Basically my ESP 32 volts to 3.3 volts, and then you got some grounds in here. I don't know how many people even know what I'm talking about. I think this COM1 is just, I don't know, it's just a generic port for something else. But I had to download the drivers so that this can see that this is in COM port 4. So if I unplug it, it should go away. See?
I'm something of a scientist myself.
This is basically what's going to tell our microcontroller what to do. When we hit this button that says upload, it'll upload the programming to the microcontroller, which basically has onboard storage. I don't know if you can even see it on this microphone, but it'll be like EEPROM or. Look, when I tell you, I don't really know like stuff. I don't.
I'm kind of rich.
So I could make a bomb. I could buy a gun. Good thing that ESP32 came with this documentation here. Shows you what. Well, that's an enable pin, and then that's GPIO 36. So, multimeter. What's a multimeter? Damn it, man! I keep explaining shit. I'm tired of this.
Hey, no.
It'll show you different voltages, current, resistance, capacitance. What else shows? Is it 3.3? No, but it's 3.1. 3.1 is pretty close to 3.3, right? It's the anode. The longer side is the cathode. Going off of this image, you can see our LED here. We got a longer side versus a shorter side. Pin, what is it? 1, 2, 3 from our microcontroller into 6. Here we go. Personally, we don't really need to know how to code. I mean, we have AI. AI makes people obsolete. You know what's in that OJ? That drink.
Wow, they have it.
Walkie slide.
Look at it.
Now that we got our LED blinking, let's make servo motor. We need to make this thing go from here to here. That's that money talking. When my desk move up, that's that money talking.
Went on my Kool-Aid, that made my money sweet.
Yeah. That's what them robot sounds be making. The orange, and we're on the yellow to our ground wire. Oh, you program. Oh, you know what you're doing. You program. All right. I'm going to have to write my own code, so I'll come back. So I'm moving it, and it wants to stay. So where's this rest place? I want to see it continuously move back and forth. Because then I know, like when I hook it up to the light switch or hook some sort of mechanical apparatus. You like that word, don't you? Yo.
I don't get it.
Okay, it is now a new day. Switch, but you know, light switches are like this. So I have to like flick it down, flick it up, flick it down. Don't be like me. Actually know what you're doing when you're programming, okay? I mean, I know what I'm doing. I want to basically be able to press a button, recognizing it from this guy, and make this GPIO port spin on this guy.
The next day,
I'm so tired. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, here's my button. You see it? You see it? See it? Completely separate from this circuit. But when I press this button, you'll see my motor spin. Hold up. Watch this. Hey!
That's what I'm talking about.
Look, look. Press the button. Look, when I say big brain, I mean big brain. I mean Albert Einstein, what's his name? Plato, Pluto, crypto, the super dog, the super dog. All right, so now basically, all we need to do is stick this here somehow. And we need to come up with a way for this to turn this on and off. I bought a hot glue gun and I had these laying around.
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it!
Look at it. All right, glued to the wall. Uh-oh, I programmed. This is the wrong way, actually. It's supposed to be this way. Should be pointed down, at least like this. No, is it gonna stick to the... Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I don't know. Sometimes I sit there and think about life like, what am I doing with myself, man? Do I have nothing else better to do?
Where are your parents? Kid's sketchy. Back to you guys.
I have the answer. More hot glue. Glue dripping on my fingers. So be smarter than me, because I just tried to catch hot glue. My finger's burning. That is not sturdy whatsoever. Kebab sticks, hot glue, zip tie. I don't know why it's doing that. Can I stop it? No, I stopped it.
Dog shit.
It's not strong enough to turn the light off, which I kind of already thought was gonna happen. So let me unplug it. I think what I need to do is maybe the spinning portion. This is pretty strong. So what if I like attach a string or something to this and this? And that way I had to move it closer so I can get more torque out of the motor to actually move the switch up and down. Because the switch, bro, switches, they're really strong. And they're too strong for my baby servo. So let's go. Let's go. All right, so look at me. Look at me. Hold on. Look at me. Look at my button. You see? Let's go. Is it? Oh, did it break? I broke it. Oh, I broke it. All right, let me fix that. Could I make it look better? Yes. Could I like 3D print something that's really cool? Yes, but I don't know how to 3D print. I'm trying to get into it. Yeah, it's janky, but who cares, right? It does what I want it to do, number one. Number two, it's sick. It's pretty sick. It broke, but the lead came off. Let's go! So, I bought a 3D printer. I thought it'd be sick, so I did. True story, a millionaire bought me this knife.
We'll take a 5-minute recess without objection. Well then, y'all better focus.
PLA. I make things. Here it is. What we got going on? Company is called Elegoo. Yeah. Centauri carbon. Okay. I wanted something enclosed because I don't know about fumes and particles and stuff, so I definitely don't want to sleep around it. Table's not clean. It's not here. I don't have a living room. No, I don't have a dining room. Couldn't afford one. Hey, look what I found. I found a top and I found some instruction. All right, so here's the guide. Centauri carbon. Take out the bottom foam. Nice instrucciones. They got a design award in 2025. What's in here? Open can I? More foamage. Hey, power cable or IEC cable. What is this? Okay, this is the interface. Touchscreen? Great. What is this stuff? What is this? Oh yeah, they give you a little bit of PLA. Grease. Chapstick? No. Glue? No. Ah, it is glue. Then we got some tools in there. Great. No? No? Do I put the feet on there? Does it lock? To update. Igloo. Create the future. Where should we go, guys? What you thinking? Italian? I'm thinking Italian. Spanish? I speak a little Spanish. All right, we can go Spanish. Place the build plate correctly with side facing up. I got some windows open in here. This thing is making a lot of noise. Print. I don't know which one I want to print. 15 minutes to print, time lapse, blah, blah, blah. Smooth, textured plate. All right, so right now, it's literally not printing anything. It has a light on. I finally got it printing. It used up most of that filament, actually. And it's actually rocking the table a lot more than I like it to. It turns out to look like. All right, our first piece is done. That's what the boat looks like. Hold up. Super tough. Ooh. Look at that. The first thing that we printed. Engineering. Engineering. Gengar is one of my favorite Pokemon, bro. So I printed him out. Modeled for our light switch. All right, that little housing right there on the side of it is going to house the servo. I have it right here. The print is pretty good. I mean, you can see like all the like hatching. There's like loose ends in it, but oh, it does fit. Look at that. I guess that's what happens when you measure things. Things end up fitting the way that hey, they fit. That's pretty sick. Engineer. I don't know who I am. This is what most people do with these anyway. I don't know nobody who actually gets a flat head to install their light switch covers. Right, here it is. Slots in nice. Oh, I already see a problem. The problem is where the motor is supposed to spin here is too low. So we could pull it up. It's gonna spin to about here. I don't think that's enough to turn it back on. Oh, good thing it fits this way, because I definitely made this cutout for the cable down here. But it actually looks like that having the cable there adds some rigidity to it. Okay. No, this is the new design. I think maybe it's better to have it. Oh, you can't see with this, with the supports there, but it'll be a lever that it just pushes down, and then it can flick that top lever back up like that. All right, what's this? The third revision? Something like that? Take this off. Let's see. Uh-oh. Oh, damn it, it broke that too. So you have to make this longer now. This will flick down like that. And then it'll flick back up. No! Gotta make another revision. Flicks down pretty good. But flicking up, not so good. I can make this portion wider and then move this in some. Like
The next day.
I'm done with this project. I'm sick of working on it. My 3D printed apparatus, my homemade battery pack is like, I could do better. I think. It's because my battery sucks. There it is. What? Will you stop disappointing me in front of the people? I think my battery's dying. Anyway, if you liked it, you liked this. You didn't, you didn't. The super dog.